Well, now our original series, Project Home. And tonight, the state insurance commissioner is taking some action after our report.
We revealed thousands of homeowners in high-risk fire areas are losing their insurance coverage.
And now KPIX 5 Susie Steimle reports the insurance commissioner wants to change that law and force their hand.
It's not a good situation, that's for sure.
Annabelle Hall has been with AAA Insurance for more than a decade. But at the end of October, on the same day the Kincade fire started, her insurance company dropped her.
I didn't think AAA would do that. You know, I just didn't. We've been with them for a long time, and I've been with them for a long time. My mother was with them. So I never, ever thought that they would do this, but they did.
It's a growing trend across California. 350,000 people have lost home insurance. Orinda is the new hotspot. Non-renewals in her zip code are double the Bay Area average. Annabelle worries about the ripple effect it's going to have.
People won't be able to sell their homes because nobody will be able to buy them, because they won't be able to get a loan, because to get a loan you need insurance, and if nobody, it's just a catch-22. So.
The non-renewals are directly correlated to devastating wildfires we've seen in recent years. After the Tubbs fire in 2017 and Paradise in 2018, insurance companies paid out $25 billion. AAA told Annabelle they won't renew her because she lives on a hill, near the woods, and on a small road, which are also some of the reasons why she wants to live there.
I mean, this doesn't really make any sense. Like I said, it's like not insuring a car because they can get in an automobile accident. Maybe we need to change some laws.
That's exactly what State Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara intends to do.
We have to sound the alarm now.
This past week, his office announced changes to the FAIR Plan, which is intended to be California's insurer of last resort. By April of 2020, the FAIR Plan will be forced to increase coverage limits from $1.5 million to $3 million. Customers will be able to pay a monthly fee by credit card or electronically, which is something they cannot do now.
So is the expectation that in the near future, the FAIR Plan will be a comprehensive plan that can make people whole?
Yes.
In January, Lara says he'll ask the legislature to start targeting insurance companies that are issuing these non-renewals.
Unless you force them to come to the table, they're not going to come to the table.
He wants to mandate that these companies work with their customers and give them a chance to do things to harden their homes, like cut down trees, clear away brush, or ensure the property is accessible.
What we're proposing is allow us to mandate insurance coverage for homeowners that have done the absolute right thing.
Are you worried the ripple effect is already happening, that it's already affecting the housing market?
Oh, absolutely. This is already, all we have to do is go visit these towns. This is already having a detrimental effect to the fact that, you know, people are having a harder time rebuilding. People are having a hard time selling their homes, and people can't, frankly and honestly, can't afford a 200 or 100% increase in their policy.
That's what Annabelle worries about. For now, she found another provider, so she's covered for the next year. She can't help but worry about the future, though, and if fires in other communities put the value of her nest egg at risk.
If we can't sell our house, boy, terrible.
Commissioner Lara says his main issue is that insurance companies are blocking off entire zip codes right now. So he says that people need to have the option to harden their homes so that they can keep their policies.
Yeah, it's kind of a broad brush. They just go, no,
right.
You're in this zone, we're not going to cover you.
You're in this area, you're out.
And she makes a good point. She says you can't even sell your house because nobody can buy it and get a policy to live there.
Exactly. It's such a catch-22 for them.
So this FAIR Plan, as it's called, it's not publicly funded.
Yeah.
So how do these companies feel about it being mandated?
So they're not happy about this. They're saying that this could have some unintended consequences, and they're saying it might raise rates for everybody who is on the FAIR Plan. They've got 30 days to come up with a plan that they will present to the commissioner. Okay. They're hoping they can agree on something.
All right, Susie.
Susie, thank you for that.
I know Ken wants to say something. Yeah. Keep sending your stories and ideas to Project Home at CBS.com. You can watch all of Susie's reporting on our website.